Vettri Kazhagam President and Chief Minister Joseph Vijay on June 9th inaugurated the Singapenn Rapid Response Force, a special police unit created to address crimes against women. The unit will function under the direct supervision of the Chief Minister. The inaugurated was held at Rajarathinam Stadium in Egmore, where Vijay detailed the structure and objectives of the special force. He described the initiative named Singapenn, which is known as Lioness, as a cause close to his heart and stated that crimes against women cannot be tolerated. He announced that 354 crore rupees has been allocated for the project and 2,500 job vacancies will be created across the state as part of the initiative. During the event, the Chief Minister personally drove the special commando vehicle assigned to the Singapenn Task Force and also unveiled its official symbol. Vijay stated that crimes against women have existed for generations and cannot be addressed through policing alone. He stressed that the need for individual responsibility and social discipline along with law enforcement to prevent such offences. He further said that action against offenders in cases related to crimes against women will be accelerated and police charge sheets will be filed more quickly to ensure faster legal proceedings. As part of the initiative, Vijay also announced that drone-based patrol services will be introduced to strengthen surveillance. He said that newly formed Singapenn Adiradi Padai will focus on preventing offences such as stalking, sexual harassment, targeted intimidation and molestation in buses and crowded public places. The Chief Minister said that the initiative aims to enhance women's safety and security in public spaces through improved monitoring and rapid response mechanisms. So viewers, what do you think about this initiative? Will it bring real change on the ground? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.